This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Beautiful home in Cedarwood. Great floor plan with beautiful Brazilian cherrywood floors downstairs. HVAC 2 zones 2022 and 2013. Hot water heater replaced within the last 5 years. Architectural shingle roof. Encapsulated crawl space plus sump pump by Jess. Replacement windows throughout. In-ground pool with salt water pump. Recessed lighting upgraded downstairs. Kitchen offers granite countertops and stainless appliances. Kitchen island conveys. Fourth bedroom is frog. Master bathroom upgraded with granite countertops and heated tile floors. For more information, review the details below.